Hey there, how's it going? Welcome to Looplearnings, and I want to first of all thank you for your all of your support. You have been watching the tutorials around POS system, and one more series I made, how to make software in Microsoft Access. So I thank you for all of your support and your feedback, your comments. Fantastic. I really appreciate your effort. Thank you so much, and keep giving your feedback, keep supporting, keep encouraging, spread the word. Appreciate it. As you know, we have been making POS system. We have made around 29 videos, and I'm going to kind of wind up this series with one or two more videos to come up in the future, in the coming days. And I've been thinking to make some more series around Microsoft Access, or particularly about applications. So I've been thinking about making one of these three applications and a new series, how to make school management system, or how to make clinic or laboratory management system, or how to make inventory management system. One of these three I'm going to focus on in the upcoming days and months. Basically, if we talk about school management system, it's going to be quite a big project actually, because school, as you know, that there are a lot of things that we have to focus on and a lot of things that needs to be covered. Some of those things are faculty management, student management, class management, payroll, fee management, and much more. There are lots of things that needs to be taken care of when particularly working on school management system. So if I started working on this, that might take a lot of time to complete the project. The reason is because I can't really make a lot of videos every day, because I have my daytime job as well, so I have to focus on that. So either I can make this, or I can make a application, a small application which handles the clinic, for example a small clinic or a laboratory, for example creating or keeping the patient record, keeping the visit record of the patient, perhaps embedding the test management, such as we can have different functionalities to create different tests and their standard values and their obtained values, etc. So we can create a small application around that topic, or we can create inventory management system, basically standalone inventory management, where we focus on procurement, forecasting, sales order management, perhaps. So I'm thinking to make one of these three applications. So what I would like you to do is to, if you are interested in any of these application, make sure that you tell me in the comments below. So it's kind of voting, so you have to vote which application you want me to build next as a series. So three applications I'm planning. The first one is the school management system, then clinic management system, and third one is inventory management system. So go ahead, tell me in the comments below. I'm going to count the votes. So whatever application got maximum votes, let's say in 3 or 4 days, and then I will focus on that particular application. So go ahead and do that. And by the way, I do have some future plans, so I thought I'll share with you all. I would be making some video tutorials and series about SQL Server from Microsoft and the Visual Studio as well. Perhaps we'll talk about C# language or VB, because those are the two languages I know. So perhaps we'll make series around those topics as well. So I'm very excited about it. There's a lot coming up in the future. I would like to sincerely thank you for all of your support and appreciate it, and keep supporting. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much again, and I'm waiting for your votes, for your comments, and I'm looking forward to the upcoming series. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.